Hello everyone. In this video, I'll go over the installation process for Postman. And as usual, we're going to need the browser as we're going to download Postman. And then, we're going to look at downloads where it's going to basically be placed. So first things first, we'll just search for Postman here, and just a Google search will show you that you can download directly from a link. And if you go to that link, it will show you here. In my case, it's showing my default, which is basically 64-bit Windows, and you can go ahead and click on that. That should continue the download process, and as you see, that is reflected on my download as well. It shouldn't take long. It's a small application, so this should be a very short, quick video. So in this case, this is the Postman app. I'm going to double click that, and now it will start installing. So the first time it's loading, it will take some seconds, but other than that, it should directly lead to this screen where you would have to basically create an account or sign up. In my case, by default, it's showing me there. How would you basically, on the first time that you load it, you would have you would see something like this, or you could see this screen, which is just creating a free account or so. So how would you create a free account? You could start by email there, and then you could say create that account, and then you would you can directly use your Gmail application, that you have. All right, in this case, let's say I'm using my Gmail here. I would click on that. It will tell me here, all right, do you want to create a let's say with this email address? Yes, and this is my info, so I can say open Postman now. It's just a shorter way than filling out all the informations, basically. And once you have that, once you create it, basically, then you can just go ahead and add your informations. All right, in this case, for me, it's already filled out directly as my user. So this is where you can see that you are logged in. Along the process, if you see something different, or if basically something is not exactly similar like this, either post that on the assistance channel, or and tag someone and ask a question. Maximum that you can see differently after you after you sign up with your Google account, you might get asked your name and then your role, which you can put as quality engineer, and then basically just continue. All right, so it should be an easy procedure. So let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks.